Welcome back to SDS Tooth Center Silverlight Digital Solutions, Tutorial Center for Learning. My name is Raphael Chuku. Let me remind you that we have a booklet called Masterclass, a structured guide to computer learning that will guide you on learning all this. So I implore you to do your best to get a copy for yourself, for your family and friends. So today we are going to look at how to do sorting by ascending and descending order, how to find and replace, and how to clear all formatting. So by the time we're through with this, we would have been able to finish the features of home menu. So let us get to business immediately. So sorting, there are two types of sorting: ascending and descending. So more like when you have 1, 3, 5, 2. Okay, let me break them. So, and then you highlight them and you click on sorting, ascending, click on OK. You see what happens? It starts normal. So initially this is what we have here: 1, 3, 5, 2. So you want to order this text, you want to sort them in ascending order, starting from the least down to the highest. So what you need to do is you're going to make use of this when you have list of names, and you want to sort them in ascending order so that somebody can easily pinpoint where his or her name falls given the alphabetical location on the list. So if you highlight, you go to, this is the sorting feature, ascending A to Z, and then you click on it. It will bring out this option you now see here: ascending order, descending order. If you want it to be ascending, that is from the least to the highest. If you want it to be descending, that is from the highest to the least. So if we use ascending, click on OK. You see it now start properly: 1, 2, 3, 5. We don't have 4. So let us change it to descending. It will going to start from 5, 3, 2, 1. So the same way, if you have G, A, C, B, this is scattered. So you want to sort them, you highlight, click on ascending, it orders it A, B, C, D. Or descending, it orders it G, C, B, A, or whatever a pattern or order you want to sort it. So that is it. It's not difficult. So let's look at find and replace. When you are working with Microsoft Word, you may need to find a particular word, and you searching your document looking for that particular word might take you a lot of time. So use the feature find to locate a particular word wherever it is, or even if the word appears multiple times, you are going to locate all of them. So okay, let us find the word all within this document. So we can copy this and duplicate just to get what we want. Okay, so I'll do Control A. Control F is find. Control A is highlight all. You already know that. Control F is find. If you don't want to use Control F, this is Control F, find. Look at by your left side. If you don't want to use it, you can go to this top right, see where cursor is, click on it, find. It's still the same. So what are you looking for? I'm looking for the word clear. You see, it will locate it. You can see it highlights it with this yellowish color shading. You see it, and it tells you you have 4 results. As you can see, 4 results here, 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 and here. So that is how to find word. So now the same way, if you want to replace a particular word, maybe you want to say remove all formatting. Instead of clear, you don't want to use the word clear, you want to use the word remove. So what you do is you highlight the document, Ctrl A, you go to replace, you can use Ctrl H, see it, Ctrl H, or you click on this replace. It should bring out this area. What do you want to find? You want to find the word clear. This clear appears here because we have already searched it before. So clear, and then replace with what? Replace with the word remove. Then you click on replace all, because I want to replace all of them at once. Click replace all. The computer will tell you we made 4 replacements. You can see in your selection. Do you want to search the remainder of the document? So yes, it's just attempt, and it will tell you that it's all done. We made 4 replacements. Click on OK, close. You notice that wherever you had clear before has been they've been replaced with remove. See remove here, see remove here, see remove here. So that is how to find and replace. Find is Ctrl F, easy to locate words in your document. Replace is Ctrl H, use it to find a particular word in your document and replace it, or actually delete it, remove it entirely. Maybe if you don't want that particular word, maybe it was mistakenly entered. You just, for example, if we don't want to have if we don't want to have the word sorting at all in this document, you can find it and remove it. They might be up to 1,000, they might have occurred up to 1,000 times. Well, you don't need to find them manually and be deleting them up to 1,000 times. So what you need to do is to find it and then you remove it. So how do you do that? Ctrl A, Ctrl H is replace. Find the word sorting. Replace it with what? With nothing. You remove, don't put anything in replace, and then you click replace all. It will say to you we made 4 replacements. You can click no, you're done. So you see all the sorting have been removed. See, so let us also look at okay, are we done with what we have already? I think. Okay, clear formatting. Clear formatting. This clear formatting is used to remove all the format styles you've added to a document or a text. For example, if you added this to this text and then you've increased the size to this, as big as this, and you have added a cut option of reddish or whatever, and you want to return this to the normal default format. So what you just need to do is to highlight the text, come to this is it, this particular feature or button is called the clear all format. It removes all formatting from selection, leaving only the normal unformatted text. Clear on it. It will return it back to Calibri body and size 11, which is the default. So I thank you for your attention, your time. I think we've been able to conclude on the home menu. The next tutorial we are going to start from the insert menu. So this is coming from the desk of Silverlight Digital Solutions SDS Tooth Center, and my name is Raphael Chukwu. Thank you.